Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hey, Merry Christmas to everybody. Have a wonderful time, okay? Enjoy family and friends and just have a blessed time. Hey, at the request of my son, I'm actually making another video, and I think I have a treat for you. Recently, I have been playing a game called Toreba. It's a game. It's found on an app on your phone or on the computer. And if you like to play arcade games and maybe even claw machines where you win a prize with that claw that comes, and you know the story. Well, this is what happens in this game. You actually control remotely claw machine games and any configuration of claw machine games like they have. And these machines are actually in Japan. And if you win, then the good thing about it is that they will ship these prizes to you for free. And genuine, it's real. As you can see, I have gotten a few things from Toreba. And I have a shipment that I wanted to do an unboxing today. So I feel like it's going to be kind of a wow maybe for you, just so you can see that these things really do happen. It's not a fake. I've heard some folks say that Toreba, I don't know, does that really work? I mean, do they really send it to you? Yes they do. And this is living proof. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing everything. I've just got a box. I haven't opened it yet. It's absolutely ready. I'm absolutely ready to open it up. And it's really fun. I remember the first shipment I had, seeing on the label it said Japan. Oh, that was like so Japan. I loved it. It was so great. It was exciting to have the first thing come through. And so let's go ahead and unbox this. You don't have to worry normally about cutting things. Maybe though, sometimes you have to worry about shipping. Oh my God. Some people are not careful in their shipping, and they did this to the box. Wow. Not careful. I guess they want they were in a hurry, must have been. Alrighty, let's do this. I'm going to put the box down lower so I can face you, and we can find out what was in this box. There are so many people playing this game. Wow. I think it has slowed down their shipping because I've been waiting for almost 2 months to get this box. Yeah. So, without further ado, let's open up and see what are the prizes for the day. All right. Wow. Okay. And this, I think his name is Ted from a movie, Ted 2. And so they have all kinds of cute characters, and he is really, really fun. Most everything that I have won from Toreba has been on 1 or 2 tries or 3 tries. But Toreba will actually give you free tickets or a free play every day. And on the 10th and 20th of the month, Japan time, for me it's the 9th and 19th, because we're 13 hours behind them. So they'll give you an extra 2 free tries. So for that day you get 3 free tries. And many times I have won things just on 1 try. So potentially you can do well playing Toreba. So if you can get it for free on a free try and then have it shipped to you for free like they do, then wow, for no more than it takes than just to try to get something like this. It is a hilarious fun. I think you would enjoy it. Wow, Ted. We got Ted. the next thing in the box. Everything is wrapped so nicely. Okay? This is... you can't see real well, and I'm going to attempt to open it, but we'll see what happens. You'll see what happens when I open it, because they do this to conserve space. Yeah. I think they're so busy in the holidays as well. That's why it takes such a long time. Wow, they really do have this packed tight. I guess you can guess what this is. Pikachu. He's a Pikachu cushion. I got him in one try. Wow, he was so fun. My kids love Pikachu. Who knows where this will end up after it's in my house. We'll see. Hey, but yeah, it was so fun. I'm going to leave him out of the package for now. I think Ted was 2 tries to get him. So, number 3. Winnie the Pooh is such a cutie. But he's dressed up like a bee. Like a bumblebee. Yes, he is. And let's go ahead and unbox them, because I know sometimes when they're in a bag, you can't really see just how nice they are. They are actually such good quality. Wow, I mean, he is so soft and fluffy. Very good quality, not like what you find here in the United States. Yeah, Winnie, he really loves his honey. So he dressed up like a bee. So cute, so cute. I've seen other people do this, and I guess I will try as well with you. Since they come from Japan, the tags, if you can see that, are in Japanese. And quite cute. Right. I think I'm going to end up opening all of them. I kind of hate to open this one, though. It's packed so tight, and it's vacuum packed. But what he is, oh my goodness. You can't even see him, really. You will just have to understand, this is the Japanese-style Donald Duck. He's packed so tight, you really won't get it, unless you saw him afterwards. But I think it took me 4 or 5 tries to get this one. And the Japanese really love Donald Duck. He is one of their favorite Disney characters, above even Mickey Mouse. And I just wanted to try to get it, just to see if I could, but I'm not going to unwrap it. So you can get an idea, you know. But it was really a fun thing to try to get. All right. Here we go. One of the biggest, funnest things for me was when I started playing and everything looked so Asian. I like it. I use the term, it's all Japanesey, but it's got such a cool look to it that, yeah, it was so exciting. You know, playing games that were in Japan, having things come from Japan, and having things look like the fun things that they get to enjoy over there without even having to go to Japan. It is amazing. Yes, so once again, and I can't remember, Nemuneko, I think is his name, her name, their name, don't know. Once again, something that's all dressed up like a panda bear, a regular bear. She's a kitty, he's a kitty, but he decided he wanted to dress up as a... So cute. My God. Cute little tail on the back. Tiny little tail. So many things are just so much like a character. like an animated character or a cartoon character, and they love those things. And this actually is the matching one. I got both of these on one try. Yes, and so it takes a while to wait for somebody and for machines to be. I will wait until somebody has played, and if they happen to give up, then I'll try. And that's how I end up winning these. And so, yes, isn't that cute and adorable? Oh my God. I used to think when people were talking about them that they were really exaggerating, on the quality and just how good and fluffy. Oh, they are so nice, so nice. Ah, here we go. Let's take a look at the tag here. You'll see. It is amazing. So that's what the character looks like without the extra garb on it. But yeah, they were having a fun day. I don't know. I don't watch this, the show that this is on. But wow, so nice. Um, so if you're wanting to do something and just have fun and spend time, spend your time playing a crane game. Wow, it's simple and clean fun. Okay, this was an amazing thing that I had gotten. All right. Yes, it is what it looks like. It's a tomato. Oh, if I do some more unboxing in the future, if I get some more things from Toreba, I will show you more things like this as well. This is amazing. It is so soft and squishy. Oh, I think the name for it in Japanese is it's mochi. It's a mochi toy stuff. Yeah, it's mochi. It's like squishy, so comfortable. Oh, you would fall asleep in a minute if you use this as a pillow. It is so wonderful. Wow, I had no clue. And they're so big. My God. I mean, some of these things are just absolutely huge. Wow. They don't only have stuffed toys. They have all kinds of things. And I actually won. This is a special frying pan. Grill boy is what they call it. And I'm not sure. I think I got this in 5 or 6 tries. But yeah, I think this thing is actually. Yes, it is. It plugs in and it is electric. So a little personal frying pan, hot plate, it's cool. And since it was really quick win, I actually ended up getting 2 of them. I was kind of hoping they had a yellow one and a red one. I was kind of hoping for the yellow one as well, but hey, it was just so fun, and I've got nothing but free time. It seems like. Right, but that was a really fun win. You feel like you've scored. Awesome. All right, now for the last thing in this box. I told you that Toreba doesn't always have just the stuffed things. In fact, about 1/4 of what they have is stuffed toys. And they have all kinds of things. I've gotten a shirt before, just various things. So yeah, 3/4 of what they have is not just something in toys. So here we have the final thing that I had gotten. Let me see if I can get this for you. For you guys that like Disney and the small baby characters, the small Disney characters as babies, they call them Tsum Tsums. Tsum, Tsum, Tsum Tsums. This is actually a tote. It's an insulated carry bag. Let's open this up. It is a lot. It is a lot larger than I thought it would be. Oh my goodness, this thing opens up to be very large. And it is insulated. So you can put hot stuff in here or you can put cold stuff in here. You went and had some meat taken care of or done at a butcher shop, you can bring it home, or you're going on a picnic and you want to keep the food nice and hot. So let's take a look at this. There we go. Wow. Really, really nice. Let's take a look at the design on there. All the Disney characters. Wow. It's pretty nice. Wow. That is my first Toreba unboxing. And I really appreciate you coming to watch this. There may be more in the future. We'll find out. But here you got to enjoy all the excitement of, like I have when I open up a box. So thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Like it if you want to, or subscribe. And we'll bring you some more content later. Thank you very much. Y'all have a very, very good Christmas. Bye-bye.